Sorry, buddy. Place is full.
You sure about this, man? Corneo's gonna use and abuse you.
Of course he does. This is a restaurant, if you can believe it. One more.
Come on. That's not fair. I've never...
Rest.
Putting up a few lamps isn't gonna make any difference.
I swear.
There's something downright wrong with this place. For God's sake.
I think this is where they said to meet.
So juicy. I mean, yeah, it's a hard-ass way to have it. Second time.
So sweet. So
Lazy hedonist.
Places to lose a wallet.
Some juice.
Hey there. We're a pharmacy, but we stock other stuff too. Thanks a bunch.
I mean, yeah, it's a hard-ass...
how'd you like a piping hot fun? Can't have just one. Nothing gets the blood pumping.
Check it out. I think we might have found our man. And he's a gaudy one.
Yeah.
Not so fast, buddy. Back it up. Got no need for pretty boys here.
We're looking for someone.
Let me guess. First time in Wall Market.
Yeah? So?
So people can't just walk through the Don's front door. Especially men.
How about me then? Can I go inside?
Maybe, but you're gonna wish you didn't.
You know Leslie? She's kinda cute. Homely, but cute.
Excuse you?
Kinda cute's not gonna cut it.
Come on. Can't you help us out?
Do you have any idea what you're getting yourself into?
Aerith.
Seriously, Les, she's not half bad. With a little work, I bet she'd clean up real nice.
Cloud, requesting permission to kill.
Denied.
If you're really sure you want to join an audition, then you're gonna need to get official approval.
And who can give us that?
The trio. The only ones in town who are considered authorities on Corneo's particular tastes. First, there's Chocobo Sam. And then there's Madam M over at the massage parlor. Last but not least, there's the Honeybee Inn's Andrea Rodea. They're an eccentric bunch, to put it mildly. And you should know they don't recommend just any girl stupid enough to come knocking.
Duly noted. Thanks for the info. We'll be back soon.
If you're hell-bent on getting in, then go bother the trio.
Aerith. You sure about this?
If you've got any better ideas.
Not really.
So that's the way it is. Tifa's been invited into the Don's estate.
Huh?
But to earn such a privilege, you must first win the approval of one of the trio. Right? Meaning, I now know what I must do to save her. Stay strong, Tifa! Help is on the way! Johnny's coming, baby!
Not the sharpest tool in the shed, is he?
Nope.
I feel so alive watching
Those tops.
This looks pretty good, eh?
It's absolutely legend.
those employee benefits make it worthwhile. Done it again.
You tried their seasonal stuff?
I'm here for some good old cow time. Yeehaw!
I can't believe I bought the same disc twice.
Excuse me.
If you like, you can have it.
Wait a minute. Are you leaving already?
Right, what on too much?
Maybe the breeze will sober you up.
Wasn't supposed to go down like
The
this.
place?
Think so.
Just wanted to see Andrea.
Let me handle this.
Curse my weak will.
You wait out here, okay?
It was
Then why would I do that? No, I'm coming with.
I'm not really sure that...
You're a man of many talents, but talking isn't one of them.
I invite you to be.
Whoa.
Good evening.
Hey,
Welcome to the heart and soul of Wall Market, the Honeybee Inn. Is there a honey boy or girl whose company you desire?
We're here to see Andrea Rodea.
Ah, the shining star of the Honeybee Inn. Now, are you the one who made the appointment, sir? Can I have your name?
Oh, we don't have an appointment.
I see. I'm terribly sorry, sir. An appointment is required, and the earliest available slot is 3 years from now.
3 years?
All we want is 5 minutes. He can spare that.
I need his help for the Corneo audition.
Yes, well, regardless of the circumstances, you cannot meet him without an appointment.
Is there really no other way?
It is rare, but Mr. Rodea does occasionally extend invitations to individuals who catch his eye. Otherwise, I'm sorry, but there really is nothing that can be done.
I guess that's that then. Oh well, let's try someone else.
Hey, are you nervous too?
I know why you're here.
Got it!
One more drink.
What's wrong with this place? It's so back here, these creeps.
Wait till you taste their broth.
I wouldn't mind.
Maybe I ought to.
Hold it. Best to steer clear of this alley. You may not like the people you find down here, and they may not like you. Do you have any thought to what you want to do next?
I want to open my own place, but the competition is pretty fierce. There's no way you'd survive out there, huh?
Yeah, man.
Oh, this place is full of too.
They're ripping off you, me, and you. There's this energy pulsing from my fingertips.
I guess they're closed right now? Why don't we try looking for another one of the trio?
Rejuvenated, alive. It's like I've got a brand new body. That was the best thing that's ever been done to me.
There's something downright wrong.
And it all leads
If I can't get that money,
That old weapons vendor's a total weirdo. He's not a bad guy. Look, a Type 60 tank. Look at this garbage.
The Shinra Remake. Oh, you'd like to have that.
talking to you. I said they're good. Try one.
Additional charges.
Oh dear. The boss is going to write
Found this spot years ago. Love Cornelia. Watch the chaos down there.
Who's that? Think you're too good for my fun?
It's time I let my hair down. What lovely flowers.
Hey, I've done it again. Spent my whole paycheck on my favorite honey girl.
I'm gonna get an extra helping of honey. I swear, all men are dogs. Not natural.
This is it. You're dead.
This place is absolute chaos, but it's amazing. I don't have anything like that on the plate.
Marlena's the greatest honey girl there ever was. It's an undisputed.
Guess who? It's always best to be prepared for the worst. Wouldn't you agree?
Only a baby new, but she's clearly the best, and the only one worthy of being called the greatest.
I'm so excited.
I heard you used to be a
Really cleaning up tonight.
I'm so excited. I can't breathe.
Just woke up one day and realized I'm not a queen bee anymore.
What?
Aren't you that Leaf House?
Hey, what the hell, Merc? Digging into people's personal affairs in this town is a huge no-no.
What are you doing here?
Well, if you must know, I've wanted to be a dancer ever since I was a little girl. I come here at night to live the dream. I'd appreciate it if you didn't tell the children, okay?
Gotta stay sharp, though. Lifetime ban's a lifetime ban.
As if you're not here to talk to the honey boy.
One more. Come on.
This is a restaurant, if you can believe it. The owner's this kind of weird and quirky guy.
Corneo has an understanding of the tree.
Get away from me before I scream.
That scent. I can't stand it.
That candy that comes with the summoning materia ice cream. You have Alexander, don't you? You have to give it to me. That's it.
Only a select few even know it.
I'm so excited.
Not gonna see a show.
Yeah, you and me both.
With an exterior like that, who knows what this tastes?
I'm just curious to find out what she likes, how she lives, where she lives. I'm just curious.
I bet you're
This is a restaurant, if you can believe it. The owner's just kind of weird.
Excuse me. I was wondering who does. Lovely flowers.
So where are the shade getters?
not you two again. Told you once, I'll tell you 1,000 times. Got nothing for you. Now scram.
Wait, here's out. You're one of the trio, right? I want you to get me into the audition.
Huh?
Pretty please?
Why not?
Really?
Sure. Next time an audition comes around, I'll put your name in the hat.
Next time will be too late. Can't you get me into this one?
You want in now? No can do, sweetheart. Already recommended Tifa, and she's got this in the bag.
How can you be so sure Corneo will pick Tifa? You never know, he might pick me.
Damn, you really do want in, don't you?
Sure do.
Then how's about we play for it? Call it, Missy. Heads or tails? Guess right, and I'll grant you your wish. Guess wrong, and you'll leave me in peace.
Heads.
Tails, you lose. Hey, don't look so glum. You're a pretty enough gal. Just not quite Corneo's cup of tea. But if only the Don will do, try convincing one of the other two. That's why it's a trio, and not just the Mio. Now skedaddle.
Wait. Mind if I see that coin of yours? Trick coin. I had a hunch.
That's cheating!
And that's the wall market way. Lesson learned.
Still cheating.
If you don't know, I think this is where they said to meet them.
God's sake, who does that
Shit!
Welcome, welcome. Just the two of you? Step right up. Now then, what manner of massage do you desire?
Say what?
Is this your first time in our establishment?
Mm-hmm.
We are a hand massage parlor. An excess of fatigue and tension can make even the simplest task a terrible strain. It is our pleasure to relieve our patrons of that tension. And what better way to seek relief than through the skilled ministrations of a professional? So now that we understand each other, what manner of massage do you desire?
We're not customers.
Then you are...
Hoping you can help us get an invite to an audition with Don...
For the love of... Say another word and I'll shove this fan right down your throat. This is the last thing I need. You're young and stupid, and I suppose that means you think I'll let you off easy. So, you want what? A favor? Well, here's the thing. This is a massage parlor, a respectable establishment. But if you don't require our services, then tell me! Is there any reason I shouldn't have you dragged outside and shot for wasting my valuable time? Well... Name?
Cloud Strife.
Hand.
Huh?
Give it to me! The strong, firm hands of a fighter, yet they possess a certain elegance and grace. Okay, Cloud. Let's see what you're made of. After that, we'll talk. So, which course will it be? Then make your way to the room in the back and wait.
Cloud?
This exclusive treatment is reserved for our most well-to-do patrons. First, the hand cream. A generous coating for each and every one of your richly deserving fingers. Let's start with the tips. That's it. Relax. I'm only here to help. Oh, did that hurt?
No.
Then I'll move on to the base of the fingers. Let's see if we can't improve your circulation. You get that blood flowing. No, don't fight it. Stress is poison to the body. And finally, some gentle stimulation for the palm. No more than a touch. Just like this. Oh, what was that? A cry of pleasure? Is this how you like it? How about this? Or maybe this? If that was to your liking, do come again.
Right.
How was it?
Huh?
You okay?
Yeah.
You're acting weird, Cloud.
I am?
Really weird.
Think you'll make a habit of it? Alright then. I think I've seen everything I need to see.
So?
Tell me what you want, and we'll take it from there.
You're one of the trio, right? I want to get into Corneo's next audition.
And why in the world would you want to do that? Okay.
Really?
But you cannot go dressed like that.
Huh?
I could never send Corneo a candidate wearing such a plain-looking getup. Doing so would call my position as one of the trio into question.
Is something wrong with my outfit?
It's alright, I guess.
Oh, you.
Look, just take it outside the parlor, would you?
Sorry, we'll stop. So, what should I do about the outfit?
You just leave that to me. I'll put you in a dress so fabulous you'll look like a million gil. So long as you can afford it.
How much?
What I said. But don't worry. It's obvious you can't afford a dress with that kind of price tag. So listen, I have an idea. There's an underground coliseum in this town. Up for a fight, Cloud? Good. Because I'm getting you into that arena. If you win the tournament, I'll transform Aerith into a drop-dead gorgeous beauty.
There any prize money?
Yes, for the person who got you in. So, what do you say?
Alright.
That's what I like to hear. You'll need this. They're already letting fighters inside. You should hurry. Run along.
What have we gotten ourselves into?
Nothing good. I wouldn't expect a fair fight in this town.
Think we can win it all?
That's one thing I'm definitely sure of.
I appreciate the confidence.
Step right up.
Don't get too
Fully
cocky,
automated,
okay?
state-of-the-art item procurement.
Maybe it's broken?
Welcome to the world of tomorrow. Any item you can think of. It's a delicious
Take a look-see.
The doors are now open for tonight's
Spectators, please enter from the right and contenders from the left.
So, who you betting on?
What the hell? I'm telling you here.
See it will
Starting to get butterflies.
It'd be awful. Good thing we splurged.
What's this? You're here to compete? I hope you know you're cutting it really close. So, the two of you are a team?
Team? No, it's just me.
Yes, the two of us are a team. I need to get into that audition, but I won't let anyone else fight my battles for me. That includes you, mister.
Alright, team it is. Head to the waiting area down below.
Down, down, down we go. So, how deep does this thing go, you think? I wonder how many people are fighting. Hey, you're not nervous, are you?
Nope.
Really? You're even more quiet than usual.
Just trying to focus. Like you should.
Hey! Lovebirds! Over here!
In the city that never sleeps, in the paradise of debauchery and sin, of pain and pleasure, your every desire can be indulged for the right price. Walmart! For you esteemed connoisseurs of chaos and bloodshed, we bid you the warmest of welcomes. Are you sitting comfortably? For tonight, the most gruesome spectacle anywhere in Walmart or beyond shall be yours to witness, here in the Corneo Coliseum! Tonight's grand prize is no less than 1 million gil, and there's only one way to get it. Brutalize your opponents, thoroughly and utterly, viciously, without mercy, until they vomit blood. Only the most ruthless fighters, the savages still standing here at the end, shall claim the gil and the glory. And now, the long-awaited event in which the blood-starved beast will battle for your amusement and opponent! Warriors of every shape and size will fight to the death before your very eyes in tonight's Corneo Cup!
Wow, this place is really something.
You two, wait here until it's time. You two, wait here until it's time.
It's not your turn yet. Your names will be announced over the speaker. Just wait until then.
You two, wait here until it's time.
Oh, you again.
Ouch, what happened to your face?
I just needed a little scratch, you know? So I signed up for the preliminaries and, well, I hope you guys realize what you're getting into. I don't want to scare you, but if you can make a run for it, you should.
Cloud and Aerith, your match will begin shortly. Please make your way to the gate.
We're in way too deep to back out now.
You two ready? Try not to get yourselves killed.
For our next match, we welcome two fighters, a young couple no less. Talk about a bad day! This is their first tournament. A bad first date? And most likely their last, inexperienced as they are. Or are they? Give it up for Cloud and Aaron!
Get off! Go home, you suck!
Couple? Get out of here with that lovey-dovey bullshit!
What's up with the pole? Gonna do a little dance for us, baby girl?
Okay, now I'm mad.
One of Wall Market's own, a renowned master of beasts! Will his pets make a meal of our two challengers before our very eyes? They've already been given their appetizer! Their hunger for flesh and fear is unquenchable! The demon dogs of hell! The Sanguine Stalkers!
You brought animals?
First timers, huh? There's no rule that says you gotta fight man to man.
We're in for a treat, ladies and gentlemen! Who will prevail in this brutal contest between man and beast? This could be over in an instant, so don't even blink! Without further ado, the fourth match of the first round begins now!
Alright, let's go! Goddamn! Damn it! You're mine.
You're done.
I'll rip you a new one!
Can you believe it? I don't think anyone saw this coming! What a completely unexpected turn of events! And the winners of our match are Cloud and Aaron!
Well, that's one win down. Go team. What's wrong?
The rules don't make sense.
Yeah, true. But maybe it'll be better in the next match?
Nah, wouldn't bet on it. Better to expect the worst.
Well, that was some bullshit.
Cloud and Aerith, your match will begin shortly.